So we have a leaky thermostat housing. It's cracked on the inside. Got the parts right here. These housings, they crack in here. For this job, all you need is a 10mm socket, extended wrench, and a screwdriver. There's a bolt on top there, and can't see that one, but there's one right under here. There. Two hoses, that one. And that's where the crack is. These things cracked there, and another time I had it crack right along here. I don't know if I could find an aluminum one, but that would be nice. So the thermostat has a little notch in it, lines up with that one. So that's back on. There's a bolt. The other bolt is there. Try not to wiggle that around so much. I think that's the reason why it keeps breaking. Cheap plastic thermostat piece. Dodge, why did you do that? Why did you make it like that? And that's how you change out thermostat housing and thermostat.